Hello friends, this is my 9th tutorial in the JavaScript series, and in this tutorial we'll be discussing about math operators. So until now we haven't used any math operator as such. So we will be discussing about how to do some maths in JavaScript. So welcome to the new world of maths. So let's clear this up. Now instead of function, instead of function abhi, I will just create another function, say opera for operations. It's a short form for operations, in this case not the Opera browser. So let's take in two values. Let's keep it simple. Let's make the parameters a and b, and here instead of this document write, let's keep it blank for the moment. To call this function, obviously you have to write in Opera, and we have to give two values. Say for a we give the value 10, and for b we will be giving the value 25. You can just input any value. So here say c is equal to a plus b. Now we are storing the value of a plus b into the variable c, and we will just output the variable c into document write. So let's save this, and we have used our first maths operator, and that is the addition operator, which is the plus sign. So let's display it in the browser and check what's the result. So as expected, the result is 35, because 10 plus 25 is equal to 35. So we have got the correct result. Now let's do some more maths. Now instead of 10, we will take the value of the first parameter as 50 and the second as 40. So instead of the plus sign, we will use the minus sign, and let's check it in the browser, and here you can see that it displays the value as 10. Now here we have temporarily created a variable c. Actually I haven't used var, which is a normal way of creating a variable, and nowadays the browsers are too smart. So instead of c, you can also use variable c is equal to a minus b. So in this case we are specifically defining a variable c which can be used within that function. So this will also work very similarly, and you can either type in var or just drop it within a function. So let's discuss two more maths operators, or maybe three. So let's check it in the browser. As you can see that the result is 10, and instead of minus, now let's use a multiplication operator. For multiplying two values, you don't use the alphabet X, neither the capital nor the small. What you have to do is you have to use the asterisk sign or the star sign, whatever you wish to call it. It's just above the letter 8 on your keyboard. So let's check what the result would be. It should be 2000, because 50 times 40 is 2000. So here you can see that we have got the right results. Now instead of multiplication, we will just use division, and for division the sign is slash, and let's change the value to 4 from 40, and let's display it in the browser, and it's rightly showing 12.5. So let's make it 40 and round it off, and the answer is 10. Now there is one more operator which is called the modulus, and for modulus we just use the percentage sign on the keyboard, and what the result would be is the remainder of the value of 40 divided by 4. Now you know that 40 divided by 4 is 10 and the remainder is 0. So actually I haven't saved the page, so let's save it, and here you can see the value is the remainder, which is 0. Now let's change the values and let's make 40, let's change the 40 to 43, and now the remainder should be 3, and here you see that it's showing as 3. So modulus actually returns back the value of the remainder. Modulus is a pretty much useful kind of operator. We will discuss about how to use modulus and what are its benefits in our future tutorials. But for the time being, you have already learned 5 maths operators, and in our next tutorial we will be discussing about assignment operators. So thanks for watching, and do hit a like and subscribe to my channel.